Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to look at another mystery case.
In a trial that has gripped the nation, Quaneesha Johnson stands accused of the murder of her boyfriend, Demonte Smith. Was it a calculated act of violence or a desperate act of self-defense? As the jury wrestles with conflicting testimonies and dramatic footage, the lines between victim and perpetrator blur. What really happened on that fateful November night, and will justice be served? Dive into the gripping details of a case that has everyone questioning the truth.
Quaneesha Johnson's murder trial captivated the nation. The key question for the jurors was whether Quaneesha intended to kill her boyfriend, Demonte Smith, or acted in self-defense. Quaneesha Johnson shot Demonte Smith after requesting police protection. On November 26, 2022, Quaneesha called the police, requesting protection from Demonte. She claimed that Demonte, an ex-felon, had threatened her for staying out late. When police arrived at Quaneesha's residence, the couple was arguing. Officers at the scene reported that Quaneesha repeatedly antagonized Smith. The police reportedly advised the couple to calm down inside their home. Later, Quaneesha exited the house and retrieved a tire iron and a handgun from her vehicle. She asked one of the officers what would happen if she shot Demonte in self-defense. The officer responded that Quaneesha would have to prove it was self-defense. The police were still outside when Quaneesha shot Demonte. Ring camera footage and police body cam recordings show Smith exiting the house, claiming Quaneesha had shot him. "She hit me with the metal thing first, bro," Demonte said, "and then she shot me. Hurry up before I die." Tragically, Demonte succumbed to his injuries. Heartbreaking footage of Quaneesha's children screaming for their mother as she was arrested surfaced on the internet. The prosecution alleged that Johnson's 8-year-old daughter witnessed the shooting. The only other person in the home at the time was Johnson's then 2-month-old baby.
Quaneesha testified that Demonte was staying with her because he had nowhere to go after being released from prison. She claimed she called the police because Demonte had threatened and assaulted her 2 weeks prior. Quaneesha said she tried to get the authorities to protect her from Demonte and added that she was scared when the police left her with him.
She stated that she didn't intend for the shooting to happen. Quaneesha acknowledged that she didn't inform the police about Demonte's criminal past or show them the alleged threats from him. Her daughter said Demonte hit Quaneesha with a pole, and she retaliated with a vacuum cleaner. The daughter heard the gunshot but didn't see Quaneesha pull out the gun. Quaneesha was sentenced to 10 years of confinement and 10 years of probation. The jury acquitted Quaneesha of malice murder, but found her guilty of aggravated assault, voluntary manslaughter, and cruelty to children. The jury deliberated for 4 hours before acquitting Quaneesha of murder and convicting her of voluntary manslaughter. The judge sentenced Quaneesha to 10 years of confinement and 10 years of probation, directing that she serve the first 5 years of her sentence in prison and the final 5 years at home. The judge concurred with the defense that the police hadn't done enough to protect Quaneesha and Demonte. "At some point you will return home, but Demonte Smith will not," the judge stated. Quaneesha was released on bond as she awaits her appeal. Defense attorney Michael Sterling said the defense would first present a motion for a new trial on the grounds of alleged witness tampering. Sterling mentioned in court that a potential witness for the defense decided not to testify after meeting with the victim's family. Sterling stated that the defense would wait for a decision on the new trial motion before filing an appeal. The allegation of witness tampering might have influenced the judge to release Quaneesha on bond after her sentencing. "You don't see it happen a lot." Sterling told Court TV about Quaneesha's post-sentencing release. "What the judge knows is that we were looking for a missing witness who was critical to our case. I don't know if that played into the judge's decision." Quaneesha expressed outside the court that she was remorseful, but didn't think there was anything she could have done differently the night Demonte died.
Thanks for watching. Write your opinion in the comments. Subscribe to our channel not to miss the next mystery story from real life.